Jesus.
Esta moto. How much? Wait, excuse. For here, now, for here, now, another our passengers, I see 700 for grand here. Can you get 100 naira? Let me give you 100 naira now, okay? Now, daily bread. Chuku, early in the morning, I pray, may God give me daily bread. I pray, may God give me daily bread early in the morning. I'll change to give you here. Okay, I shall give you 200. Let me give you 200, Papa. Which 700 naira? I see money for grand there. I see money for there. Okay, wait now. Yes, now can you need 200? I'll give you 200. What have I done?
Jesus. God have mercy upon us.